kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we will trace the missing number like B, D, F and till Z. So let's learn the colors name first. Grass green color, red color, brown color, yellow color, violet color, navy blue color, pink color, blue color and green color. Kids, you have to watch this video full if you want to learn the A to Z. So let's get started. A for ant. A for ant. B for butterfly. C for car. D for drum. E for eagle. F for fan. G for gun. H for hut. I for insect. J for juice. K for king. L for lamp. M for monkey. N for nest. O for octopus. P for pigeon. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zigzag. Z for zigzag. Very good, kids. You have completed from A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Very good, guys. Keep it up. Like and subscribe my channel. Bye-bye.